Hey there! Welcome back to Quick Dev. In this video, we're going to talk about setting up your environment for HTML development. It's an essential step to ensure a smooth coding experience. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need a text editor. A good text editor can make your coding life much easier. Some popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom. They offer features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and extensions for added functionality. Next up, choose a web browser for testing your HTML code. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari are widely used. They each have their developer tools that will help you inspect and debug your web pages. Organize your work by creating a dedicated project folder. This is where you'll store all your HTML files, images, and any additional assets. Keeping things organized from the start will save you a lot of time later on. Alright, that's it for setting up your environment. Make sure you have your text editor, browser, project folder, and any additional tools ready. In the next video, we'll start writing some HTML code, so stay tuned.